Hi, fourth graders. We're going to start today a new kind of activity where you're using word parts to help you spell unfamiliar words. So if you have some words that, again, you want to learn how to spell. So I picked some new ones this time because I've studied those others quite a bit and I feel pretty confident with those. So I chose some others and I'll show you what I mean with an example here. So these are my 6 words that I want to learn to spell: hurricane, greatness, cheerful, principle, shelter, and courage. All right, so we're going to make connections today. I'm going to take my first word here, hurricane, and I'm going to write that in the box. And in my first in my first column, I'm going to look at the word beginning, the HU sound. And I'm going to think of words that I know that start with HU that could help me when I'm trying to remember how to spell hurricane. So I think of hurt. I think of hurry. Those I know how to spell. Oh, and hungry. We all get hungry. Okay, then I'm going to use my second column to look at my A-N-E ending. And I'm going to think of words that I know that end that way. So I can think of plane, like an airplane, a cane. My grandpa uses a cane. What's another one I could use? I thought of explain, but I know explain has A-I-N instead of A-N-E. Window pane. All right, I'm kind of drawing a blank here. All of my words I'm coming up with are A-I-N. Oh, I could think of a weather vane. I think a weather vane is spelled that way. All right, I might have to check that one though, and you should check too. Check with your parents or whoever's at home with you to see if you spelled those words correctly. Then if I try another one, cheerful, I'm going to put that in the box. Cheerful. I'm going to look for words that I know that start with the ch, so I think of cheetah right away. Cheetah, chair, and chew. All right, then how about the full ending? Ooh, I kind of have one that goes with both. I think of cheerful, plentiful, and joyful. Okay, so this is just to practice using parts of words and making connections with words that you know to help you spell. So when you have an unfamiliar word you have to spell, listen to the word parts and see if you can make a connection with familiar words that you know. And you don't need a paper like this. You can just use a notebook paper. It might help to highlight this word or underline the word parts or even make a box like they did. But just practice your word parts and building connections. Nice job.